And we're here at Circle Memorial, Quezon City. We just held our wedding reception here 25 years ago at Max Restaurant, and it's over there. Daming tao rito ngayon. In that building that was yan. Okay. Where's the garden? Ay. Shout out sa mga taga Quezon City. Swerte nyo, mayroon tayong ganito rito. Lumipat na kami ng Caloocan. We're not Quezon City niyan anymore. So sad, you know, but it's okay. No problemos, amigos. So yun lang. I'm just happy to be back again 25 years ago here. Ayun, nakakatuwa at napakasaya na bumalik dito sa Max kung saan kami kinasal. Actually kinasal kami dyan sa harap lang, Quezon City Hall, with Judge Lucky. Isa rin sa aming naging ninong si Judge Lucky, because si Attorney Camacho ang aming isa sa aming mga ninong. Siya kasi yung mga dati kong kliyente sa photography. I was a photographer at the time. So there you go. Here's the Max. Yan kami kinasal 25 years ago. So yun o, that's Max. Walang pinagbago simula pa. Nakakatuwa lang. Just happy for that. Thank you.